أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وراودته التي هو في بيتها عن نفسه وغلقت الأبواب وقالت هيت لك. قال معاذ الله إنه ربي أحسن مثواي إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
She in whose house he was living tried to seduce him. She shut the doors, and said, I am yours. He said, Allah forbid. He is my Lord. He has given me a good home. Sinners never succeed.
ولقد همت به وهم بها لولا أن رأى برهان ربه كذلك لنصرف عنه السوء والفحشاء إنه من عبادنا المخلصين.
She desired him, and he desired her, had he not seen the proof of his Lord. It was thus that we diverted evil and indecency away from him. He was one of our loyal servants.
واستبق الباب وقدت قميصه من دبر وألف يا سيدها لدى الباب. قالت ما جزاء من أراد بأهلك سوءا إلا أن يسجن أو عذاب أليم.
As they raced towards the door, she tore his shirt from behind. At the door, they ran into her husband. She said, What is the penalty for him who desired to dishonor your wife, except imprisonment or a painful punishment?
قال هي راودتني عن نفسي وشهد شاهد من أهلها إن كان قميصه قد من قبل فصدقت وهو من الكاذبين.
He said, It was she who tried to seduce me. A witness from her household suggested, If his shirt is torn from the front, then she has told the truth, and he is the liar.
وإن كان قميصه قد من دبر فكذبت وهو من الصادقين.
But if his shirt is torn from the back, then she has lied, and he is the truthful.
فلما رأى قميصه قد من دبر قال إنه من كيدكن إن كيدكن عظيم.
And when he saw that his shirt was torn from the back, he said, This is a woman's scheme. Your scheming is serious indeed.
يوسف أعرض عن هذا واستغفري لذنبك إنك كنت من الخاطئين.
Joseph, turn away from this. And you, woman, ask forgiveness for your sin, you are indeed in the wrong.